Gitebe Technical Training Institute nigo ikurwa amegeri jechikosi ao bunabono building and construction gusubwagachi abwasiba kwegeria ubwagachi bw'ikinyumba naboigo ebiwanda ao kurobare ekose ya version design garment na dressmaking gusi ubusoni bw'icyanga n'ebintu ao abu ase bari na mbeyemo asugutwara machine chekerero nebinde binge nkwegeli bare amangana a beauty and air dressing aigon kwegeli bare igore pedicure manicure barbering braiding plating na yande amange ICT aigano institute ye ebwate computer nebinto ebinge by'okwegeli ICT gwetania skuru ndiyunsi era sorogongoro iga
asa mwalieta nkuru kwa Alpato Maliba mwalimu monne Ogitwebe Technical Training Institute serikali yakolire bya sana sogotoa institution igwecha saya asengencho etagete komenta ochusi ase abana bali bakole skuru ase isemi cy'obufundi nabo boliri moleta abana wachese skuru linde banyore system cy'obufundi byamo
boigon kwegeria bare electrical engineering power option boigon neroro asaba kwegeria iguriye chinguru cy'umuriro bwestima na kubeka chinguru ecyo ase emeche n'iki company ao secretarial na plumbing katiye chindi chinyingi munabono social work human resource management na nigo bakora chikosi echi ase ebiringu bya artsan use short courses certificate na diploma nigo ebwate aborokia babwate obumanyi bebirengo bikromono mbayitiri ne wizarega megeria yega nabo ndebwensi akwegerigwa inchubono utari kubwate kegori utari kubwate no mumurore usino mweseke Gitwebe Technical Training Institute nike kutoka kilomita eyemoyoka kurosomochi umugwawa asepare nene yilami yakore konge kogenda chebera
inche Kenneth Mongare Ngaga, a Dean of Student, Gitwebe Training Institute. Iga karokwaretiro mwana wa Gitwebe security gere guaranteed. At present, abana tuwate 600 in all the departments togoson. Na yonyolire kwaletiro mwana atuare skills tokonye Kenya.
Asamange bakiresimi ase namba 0713985300. Gitwebe Technical Training Institute, skills for self-reliance.
Uyakima mwanjwa humo ligerali maragoba engija andonsia so ligerali tibya ya gatembe litukeliga lialero litukolia ijuma starking kianda chomutinyo mutangani bo mwaka bwa 2025 nomo nekene kionga chinsabira sanchira yo wikira no mwanchu ligerali lituko lialero ne lituko liaba lienjira ya bene kigima se matemo mananya kabaga gosoka muwasiri Julius Migoso gamba nyakabaga kubatuka matemo mananya mwaka 2025 so mwaka eta ase abarokiwa gwetania abarokiwa ange milione mabanyaraka bagwikaransa amatemo ayo ase anyaraka bagakwerera amange igoro y'amatemo ayo mwancho murigereri namangira kwariganiri igoro yo gosoka kwa matemo ayo mwancho murigereri tukolia lero nje ni gongoro kwaro ni ototo nyangiri otokobwaterana kwanza imenyererio nigakorwa Wilson Makori. Mwanjumo rigereri magega yokuganya segeke getambe abarku abari banya tukaba gwikaransa amatemu abo a form focus KCSE omwaka eta litukoria rero niga banya kabakanyora amachibwa abo magega yo muwasiri wechisemi musikechuri asimigo sogamba kobatuka amatemu yo kurwa ase school ya Chebisas Boys Secondary School yo gotoka ime yo machibwa Eldoret county ya Uasin Gishu ase amatemu nya tukaba gwikaranswa na bana ange emilioni yamo kusabole chiribu chimi kianda emironge kianda na isato chimibere na mirongo ibere n'etano nomo nigo abarukiwa gwetania chimi ibere gwetani chiribu chimibere bagochi gosabanya tukwa kanyore grade kerigia C+ ikigo nyaraka bagekoba aregania gotike kwa ali bagalia bene kunyaraka bagosoa ase chi university abarukiwa unigo balenge chiribu abarukiwa unigo balenge chiribu chimi ibere na mirongo etano n'ebere chimi isano na ibere na ikomene kianda 700 was 270,715 igati ya bubanya kabagakora amatemu ayuo umurike tusamiyanda nigato batira roboti urwo na gotwale ngandi roboti urwo senchira yobekira
Litikoria rero nige wizara y'echisemi gwetera asomo waziri w'echisemi Migosi Ogamba yabwatuka bena amatemu a KCSE y'omwaka oeta.
This represents an increase by 30,714 candidates.
Kukwana kurwa omochi Eldoret, waziri Ogamba nigo airali bagerio na kuroro boti boikiranu. Igoro ya matemu a KCSE akorekanete asomwaka oeta.
There were 1,932, which is 0.19% candidates who obtained an overall mean grade A plain in the year 2025 KCSE examination. This is an improvement as compared to 1,693, which is 0.18% candidates who scored plain A in 2024. The number of candidates with direct university entry qualifications of mean grade C+ and above was 270,715, which is 27.18% in the year 2025 KCSE examination. This is an improvement compared to 246,391, which was 25.53% in the year 2024.
Nigo omubaro bw'abarokigwa abanyaruka barenga bange wetania omubaro oliyo bw'abana bamura.
492,012 were male, while 501,214 were female, representing 49.54% and 50.46% of the total candidature, respectively. This is the second year in a row since inception of the KCSE examinations that female candidates are more than male candidates.
Kurende asensemo y'ebikoro by'obuibi bw'amatemu bobo tukibogenderete kurende bali bayibwateraneti ase bikoro ebi batachikonyora amatemu abo.
That there were reported cases under investigation and that action would be taken upon conclusion of the investigations. At the conclusion of the KCSE examination, 1,180 candidates were found to have been involved in examination irregularities. Consequently, and in line with the applicable law and regulations, their examination results have been cancelled.
Waziri Ogamba nigo airali bagerio na kwenekia libaroberetie buna ewizara anene mono okubwatuka gw'ekibesa kukia ase chisukuru na gukulera abalimu abanene b'echisukuru gutamenta school fees.
It is in this period of transition that we gather today to mark the release of the results of the third to last cohort to undertake the KCSE examination. This school year, for instance, we released the sum of 44.2 billion shillings as capitation for learners in all public basic education institutions ahead of school opening. This is the first time that capitation has been disbursed before schools open.
Korengana numu waziri Ogamba nigo bali bataranyora libaga lyogoso ase chi university barachikwegwa libaga ase chisukuru cy'obubundi ase serikali eramente chibesa.
We built a record 23,000 classrooms across the country to support the transition of the first grade 9 cohort.
ase ensemo yayo murikio botamba ase wizara y'echisemi nigagokera okubwatuka gw'echibesa gochia ase chisukuru.
In many years, he told me he's 25 years old in the profession. He has never seen capitation released before school opened.
Igo waigo aenekeirie abaiburi mirobiri bekire ase okwenekia SME gochia ase aborokigwa.
Waziri, the state of competence-based education is strong. We are doing everything under your leadership to ensure that we put competence-based education on track. We know we are in the third last cohort of KCC.
Kuripoti lige taseni kiage tembe, Jensam, Yenda.
Na mwanchu muligere kubatikana hamono gosoka kwa matemwa yua KCSE yo mwaka weta yo nyaka wagosokwa amono muwasiri wechisemi musike Julius Migoso gamba nigo eskuru ya sironga yaba ya moyabo esichisirukuru chirichanya kwa chiko kole buja ase gotebekana muda nigo yanyara koge kwira abana gwetani elwe yamo university gosabanya kwa bakonyora grade getaneti C ose C+ ekike kuba libagalio konyora ase goso ase university boigo bagochengera amatemwa yo maya ase skuru ao ime ye county ya Nyamira nigo kubori kwa nyaka bakurero gokurwegwa gochiese abarayi na boigo abonsi bali babwatali bagosabwa tani bechisemi kokine skuru namono chirichire ase gose chirichirense ase okonyora na boigo tinyara kwa chigosirwa nyaka bachikogendera gokori buya ase amatem munago tumenye mulikito Polycarp Okara
watemo kwiga kumwa kuyiga kurwase county ya Nyamira nigo kwaretire musasoko na nene gochase chiskuru imeye skuru ya Getare Mixed imeye bunge yiga ya North Mugrango nigo yanyalire ko bagekuira abana gwika 15 ase university inyerekana nge skuru yiga nigo ere ase ekerengo gense kianda gekumi
frasinto bwadi esi manasno mano itakorere
kulingana na balimu na bayuli be skuru yiga nigo batebira asa mutuka matambe nigo bagendere ko bagochaywa kulende nigo baorikiro mugokobo igoro ya matoke amaya yo mwako yiga
kure ya chagetere inse mono mochia maniga yiga uno mwalimu nchonga teba ya renge inse ko abana ba chite university yangu baberenga kiende na ende limo babere batatu lakini this is the time twanyolera abana ange 20 batogende university aso umukiba kolire amono mukibekenyora
omwana nena akoleta matebo etire akakimbwa tomogoko ina chaire na igure buya esukuru yaito yakolire buya moto teberio maye mupia torengererie atoe basi na intwe
imeye bunge ya West Mugrango eskuru y'abanyaruka ya Sironga Girls nigo yagendere ko bagegokoria buya omwako yiga asiyaira abana wetanya eliwe ya mogo cha ase university kulingana muno mwalimu munene w'eskuru yigasireta Jeni Nyanumba nigaorukirwe mugokobo na kubwatuka obosemya aria bagendere ko bagokora nabo igone kikirete barabuka abanyene okoria buya omwako yiga
generally abana baitu bakwende university direct igo bari libweyemo na 50 na batano ugo ito kukurukwa 94.66%. Yente ketanga ni monyore ni school yiga is 7-day Adventist sponsored and for that reason for everything tokora atokumutana na saa ibintu bya kabiri a board of management tiatokerecho kwa in place is school yiga igo bakwa abalimu n'abana na kila omuntu maximum support abayibuli baito batukonya tuka-implement the program charenga kugendera even throughout the weekend batari complain n'abalimu baito abaroro balimia na 21 bonse bakiru kuche skuru paka chinsa cyabo tukona mambo mono
kulende ase entunde ntangani eskuri amanyekanite buna otanyore ELCK eyo ase entunde ntangani eyo yakoretwo gotemo kwaye gwa KCS iyo gotangani kurwa ase skuru yiga nigo yerira abana gwike 45 na babere ase university inyerekane buna eskuru yiga nigeta bwatie birasi ase tugwika ase skuru yiga tukumirana amo n'abalimu n'abeboli bali no mucengo munene
tanyore reri yiga rwakora akamakamo bora agenda
asa abantu bakande university eri togoteba
nasomire skulu ekoro form 1 mpaka bono naikire form 4 for form 1 twabate birasi twasabitire urari twengosoma bagacha bagabanu bito bakabekerani bagatwagatire birasi by'amabati ne bitwasomire na twasomire ga na twasomire ga gocha mpaka bino twasaba gukora amatemo konya banafunzi bari gukora amatemo bagakorera skulu ekoroku omosasa skulu yeito tebwatira togokorera practical etware kogenda twasabe bintu gostwanda twashikokorera skulu chindi chi practical gendo yakabira skulu etebwati bari mu baisaine
asaba mubojo mujumbe bworogongorego musike Steve Mugaka kwaniki bunango talirare skulu yiga elio inyariko bagekwimuka gwigoro buna chi skulu chinde
lakini omwaka oyo ntwagorita apparatus nkeigo bane twarokora practicals chitu kubese class tubwatu muchando munene especially asokomika kwa abandi birasimi abo twabeta promised na Safaricom Foundation nga netwagachire birasi kuri omwaka ori term 2 but ba approve kiregento twaganyerere batwagachire lakini bado nturakumwaka
twarengote MP MCS bakonye bagachira abana babandi nabarubwe birasi erinde banyora amasingira maya basome buno chiskuru chile
kwa Martin Felix Obo difanya mtemke kutoka katika shule ya Utanyora nipatika kupata grade ya B- na tunaomba viongozi wetu wasaidie shule waweze kutengeneza madarasa ya kutosha pamoja na walimu wengine watongoze walimu.
Kuripoti Getasini kia wanjite kia Gatembe kuregemeye kaunti ya Nyamira inche konguru kwa Polycarp Okara
na abo igo mwanchu murigereria murikitwo Dipone Asanya na aranigereria bagaria bene na gutarira igati ya cisukuru kurwase ebunge ya Kitutu Chache South esatwariganiria roboti rokobwatia
Nirituko ryagokeirwe na bange maiga yokubwatukwa kwa machibu ya matemwa manene ya KCSE yo mwaka era chingaki eskuru ya Liotero aso mwaka bw'ichiri 2024 bairete omorokyo nyomo ase university kurende ni gobono yeranire asamariko y'ebitabu byabo chingaki bairire aborokigwa 23 ase Ntunde Ntang'ani
asa abana 126 ntobwata abana 23 direct entry to university ngagimogo so mwaka uria igo twajagerete insake ntwabwate C+ ntwakagerete gukora bia mono lakini ntwegete korengane kiwange
my expectation I expected to score an A+, but I have scored a B+. And my dream was to pursue a medical course. If I can do a medical course, I will be very grateful.
Nonyinabo ase skuru ya baiseke ya Nyabururu National yogotoke bunge ya Kitutu Chache South. Boigo bagokeire mini grade ya 8.8 yeye boigo ya soire ase chirekodi chebitabu ase Ntunde ya igango koria buya mono.
This year, out of 505, direct university qualifying candidature is 462. From 8.3 last year, we are at 8.8. Thank you so much. So far is the highest in the recent past.
Gotigara imeje sub-county ya Kitutu Central. Eskuru ye secondary ya St. Patrick's Mosocho eyiboigere day school. Nigo ya nyara koira aborokiwe mieje mona batatu ase university. Aseboigo eskuru ya Bright Star nero jagokeire koira bana emerongebere noyomo. Ingana boigo jarorekana kuchengerwa ne eskuru ya Sister Mikaira asogo korobia.
Ba mega C+ and above wale emie mona batatu. Bakine tekuru mwaka urio itete barenge emerongo kianda na batano ngo grojenga ngujugo stogonya kogenda ngo go sabatu gwatirane abali bo stogo kolega ase school tagende gote ya jete kubwate kana no kubwatirana kwa balimu abakoligas kuna na atigire goteba ne community ne kamati ngire the school.
My name is Dennis Omari from Bright Salvation High School. We are delighted and overwhelmed by the good performance of last year candidates. Actually, we managed 21 student university, being the last student 4 with a difference. So we thank God for the good performance. And actually we had a positive deviation. Last year we had a mean of 6.1. We have moved to 6.5. So it's a plus.
Gutigara ime yetaro yokurigereria amachibu ya soka ya matemwa manene nigo gati ya baibuli barorekanire bakogokera ukokora buya gwa baroki wa somwako uyo
Niko kwa Johnson Maketo igonde PHA yeskure. Tumeshukuru sana kandi tuwakire byemo na singencho abarimu bakoromokia na kubwa mono abana baitu bakoromokia baitira somwako yoga
eskuru yane aliotero ende PA school njege ndonaje ko congratulate abarimu baitu abarimu baita batwaro mukia sabana abana baitu batware matoke ya maya
tuwakire ni principal ito byemo no asengencho yerure nabo igone staff yae bakoromokia abana baitu baitina kimogoteba
maiga yugusangana babwatani bechu skuru aho nigo batebiro gokora buya nigo kogocha asoko bane chimbwa chingia ogokoromokia nabo igo kubwaterana gati ya baiboli nabo igo aborokia kuripotiri kitaseni kia ukia gatembe kuroiga sibunge ya Kitutu Chache South elia nenkoro kwa Dipon Asanya
Mwanju murigererie chinga kitogendete kurigereria na kumurekera amatemwa yo manena nyaraka baga gokorwa gocega gocoka rituko ria rero nigo tukugenda mutimo mukeigo tukwira nyaraka batoga namange kuri ndo kumanyetu nigo tukumuna kurwase eskuru ya Nyamira abarokigwa abane abatangani abo banyaga bagutangana kurwase county ya Nyamira nigo barwese Congo Boys yirese county ya Nyamira kuri ndo mwanju murigererie namange nakwariganirie gwasina kwariganiria ase kionga chinsebire tokwira ntogendere asegeka getarie getambe.
Welcome to Elimu Academy, a modern school committed to offering the best education for every learner. We are CBC compliant and provide junior secondary education, ensuring a seamless academic journey for your child. We provide excellence in every detail, a modern, spacious library, fully equipped for every learner, a state-of-the-art science laboratory and a modern computer lab, perfect for hands-on, practical learning, spacious, modern classrooms for comfort and focus, top qualified teachers certified by the Ministry of Education. In the latest Kenya National Council for Examinations KJSEA results, Elimu Academy recorded outstanding performance. Out of 48 candidates, 29 exceeded expectations, 17 met expectations, and only 2 approached expectations. Most impressively, 32 learners successfully transitioned to C1 secondary schools, a true reflection of strong academic foundation and consistent excellence. The 2026 intake and admissions are ongoing. Hurry and secure space for your child today. Located 2 kilometers from Kisii town along the Kisii-Keroka Highway. Call us on 0741 562 931 or 0780 894 411. Elimu Academy, educating for eternity.
Subscribe ase channel ya Gatembe TV rero ili wimanye na mangana watika kira chingaki ase channel ya YouTube ya Gatembe TV nigo tokokora live streaming ya mangana maya chi video ne bipindi bya Gatembe ao ngakiende yonse inyoranga ngwetera ase official channel ya Gatembe TV. Subscribe, comment ase chi video chito boigo share na basani amune amate ejo baigokie wemanye na wesemia tobase kweba turn on a notification bell yani ekengere ejo onyari kobagoko yanyora chingaki abikiri ase omtandao Gatembe Television Network ekenakyo ekeunga kiamamogusie. ne nogani gukorerwa live streaming ase chipejo cha social media cha Getembe nubate misangirikano ya gisiasha amatanga chinyangi chibirthday misangirikano yechikanisa baby shower anniversaries gose ekinyoro kinyomo inyangi gusuko kwa kuyomino imejega ao bunabono housewarming parties engagement parties egatie vinde vige buno Getembe television network nero ego kwayega asiri golidio gotukutera ninchwe omurikirwe ye masege munaba manyi baitabo bale nobo manyi wigoro igeti byetibwate signal ere enkongo iyigwikira abantu bange asubunge asamange onye kuganiti omurikirwe nabukulika jumbenge wigogwitra semeria WhatsApp usiku yake simigwitra namba 0741499726
Yo pongo yo mwanone kiririane
Mwanju muligereri karibu asansemo ya kabiri ya kiunga chinsa ibiri togenderete na mangana igoro ya matemo manene akesesi yo mwako eta nyarka bagasoka litukulia lero nigo egati yechi principal kurwa gose abarimu abanene abari principal kurwa sizukuru banyaka bagwesokya na gukwanira chingenjo banyaka bagakole amatemo ayo muna tukuligerera sembe.
We were able to get one A plane, 74 A minus, 188 B plus, 300 Bs, 161 B minus, C plus 32, C plane 4, and C minus 1. We managed a mean of 9.1235, which is an improvement of the from the previous mean of the year 2024 of 9.099. So there is a slight improvement, and we are really very happy.
The 2025 KCSE exams. Unfortunately, we didn't record any of the A's. We didn't record also a B plus, but we started with 31 students getting a grade B plane, and then we had 122 students getting a grade B minus. We also had 62 students getting a grade C plane. We had 14 students getting a 62 getting C plus, and then we had 14 getting C plane, and then we had the last students were 2 students who got grade C minus. Now that translates to 215 students who have gotten a mean grade C plus and above. That translates to 93% transition. Now this has come down from last year. Last year we started with a grade A minus, 5 of them. Then we also had a couple of B pluses. We were very hopeful that we were going to get grade A's, but unfortunately that was not to be. But still we want to say this is a very strong performance for such a school, because this is basically a C4 school with a 93% transition, and I think we are contributing positively to the growth of our universities, because we take a lot of students to university. Taking 215 students to university is no mean feat out of 231. So out of the total registration of the students in this school, only 16 students are not going to university.
Mwaka oeta 2025 etobata bana 236 out of abana 236 abana 219 representing 92.8% Panyola C plus and above. Project Kelechi A minus is a top, B plus 24, B 55, B minus 77, C plus 60, C 16, and the one candidate Onyora C minus. It's the first time in history of this school to get an A minus.
In 2024, our mean was 6.9, meaning we had a deviation of 1.123. We kept to get a school ya Musila na nyote na tumi kwa jamu no mwalimu mwana school ya Mukubu. Na nyote nga SMN ya watu kwa nuko wa segeta bana.
Tubata bana zaidi ya 150 hapo waende university. Na inde na wao tubata bana ni sana no mye kiaga abana 15 na batara university. Muna watu wake na msambi yamana asara babali bana baba etru babalende kale babo cyane bagende kisenge tinande bagende Kenya. So simbi atole nto sa atobonye bagende ko improve.
Mancho muligera ligo korera higoro ya matemu aywa KCSE nigo eskuru yomobirie secondary school ebyo gotoka ime ward ya Boikanga ebuke ya South Mugrango ire ya moyabo h school chichanya tukwaje kokolibuja naero asabanya kwa bakokera babwate agose koira abana emia eyemo na 20 gochia ase university abo gotabakana gose abo babwate grade getaniti AC+.
Take this opportunity to really thank our God because of this far. We have really made it. It was a good deviation. Having a positive of 1+ is not a joke. Our students have really worked hard, smart. They have tried their level best to give us a very good mean of 7.763. So we really appreciate that God has assisted us, has enabled us to be to this point. So we take this opportunity to thank our principal, our teachers who coordinated with the students, even the school community who assisted the students, who gave them ample time to this far. We really thank all those who assisted us to reach this far. So we encourage these other students to really work to make sure that they have made it. So we take this opportunity to say again, thank you. About the breakdown, our school mean was 7.763. Our mean the other year, that is 2024, was 6.1. So we had a positive deviation of 1.663, and our university direct entry was 128 out of 160, and that made a pass of 80%. So we take this opportunity to really say
na mwanjo muligere go ikrabu na tokole nsamiga yekeonga chinsa ibere magoroba ya lero na bali bonsi banya tukawa gukora matemo ya KCSE omwaka oeta togotenga congratulations ase orionsi mwanya tukawa mugwikirania ase amatemo ya nyaka wagosoka litkolere kolende kunyere tumwanto muligere sensemo yengwana ya gatembe usengambo ya gatembe nigo togochikobanere Andrew Ratemo ase turachikonya tokwa tukurigereria igati yabo na matemo ya nyaka wagosoka lituko lia lero go tuskochira njingo ngoro kwaro nyo toto nyangiri korwa nseme manyeluri ga korwa Wilson Makoli na be korwa nseme transmission nigo korwa DJ Hudson go Kevin Ongeri yando tolburuya ime ya gatembe TV.
Thank you.
Gitebe Technical Training Institute nigo ikurwa amigiri jechikosi ao bunabono building and construction kusubwagachi abwasiba kwigiria ubwagachi bw'ikinyumba naboigo ebiwanda ao kurobare ekose ya version design garment na dressmaking gusi obusoni bw'ekiyanga n'ebintu ao abu ase bali na mbeyemo asugutwara kimashine echekerero n'ebindi binge nkwegerie bale amangana a beauty and hairdressing aigon kwegeri bale igorya pedicure manicure barbering braiding plating na yande amange ICT aigano institute ye ebwata chi computer nebintu ebinge by'okwegerya ICT kwetania skuru ndiyonse era sorogongoro iga
asamali tankuru kwa Alpato Maliba mwalimu omonene ogitwebe Technical Training Institute serikali yakolire buya sana asogotoa institution igwecha saya aseng'encho etagete komenta ochusi ase abana bali bakole skuru ase isemi cy'obufundi nabo boliri moleta abana bochese skuru linde banyore system cy'obufundi biyamo
boigon kwegeria bale electrical engineering power option boigon neroro asaba kwegeria igorye chinguru cy'omuriro bwestima na kubeka chinguru ekyo ase emeche n'eki company ao secretarial na plumbing katiye chindi chinyingi munabono social work human resource management na nigo bakorwa chikosi echi ase ebiringo bya artsan use short courses certificate na diploma nigo ebwate aborokia babwate obumanyi bw'ebiringo bikoromono mbayitiri ne wizarega megeria yega nabo ndebwensi akwegerigwa inchubono utari kubwate kegori utari kubwate n'umumurore usino mweseke Gitwebe Technical Training Institute nike kutoka kilomita eyamoyoka kurasomochi umugwawa asepare nene yilami yakoroiko kogenda chebera
inche Kenneth Mongare Ngaga Dean of Student Gitwebe Training Institute iga karokwaretiro mwana Gitwebe security gere guarantee at present abana tubate 600 in all the departments togosa nayo nyolire kwaletiro mwana atware skills tokonye Kenya
Asamange bakiresimi ase namba 0713985300 Gitebe Technical Training Institute skills for self-reliance.
ne noganye gukorerwa live streaming ase chipejo cha social media cha Getembe nubwate imishangirikano ya gisiasha amatanga chinyangi chibirthday mesangirikano y'echikanisa baby shower anniversaries gose ekinyoro kinyumo inyangi gusuko kwa kuyomino emijega ao bunabono housewarming parties engagement parties igatie binde bige bono Getembe television network nero ego kwayega asirigo lidio gotukutera ninchwe omurikiri wiye masege munaba manyi baitabo bale no bamanyi baigoro igeti byetibwate signal ere enkongo igwikira abantu bange asubunge asamange onye kuganitie omurikiriwe nabukulika jumbenge wigwitira semeria WhatsApp gosiku yakisi migwitira namba 0741499726
ine
kwabeire gukorera asenga kintambe guse nigo kwarwalire na gusalia enibo enyinge. Aha, bono tokwa omoyo inyagitari ya Walfit Health Centers nero lichibuliao nyuranga nonyorobu wenia bwa maruire amange abuna amaruire yesukali, amaruire yenda, amaruire yomogongo na yande amange.
We call your prostate. No borwere bwa sumbwira bagakenga abagaka sana bwe sukari, what you call the genesis of diabetes. Ngaki borwere bwe sukari bo somo bero goime hypertension no borwere kramanyinga kogenda igure somo bero. Walfit itosomete chinchereza tochokorwa ya marwaire enchede ntangani itosomete ngenduga conventional medicine, yani unyagitari obwa kawaida. Itosomete ngenduga nutritional medicine. Nutritional medicine na marioga aliakurwese endagera ya ito ya kawaida. Kwa mfano we have ntupikunga amino acids, ntubwate fatty acids, ntubwate vitamins na kadhalika. Bigo tumeka esoko rwari amarwaire. Nchirende yagata tosomerete neka tugutumia international herbal medicine. Tugutumia mariogo akurwese mete twarwari amarwaire. Igao muchito bosongo monene ntubwate clinic yeito ase nyumba ya Uhuru Plaza. Uhuru Plaza noerega igamarikiti marigiti guys wako ninyama kwali na iguru wacho bakegoroba ya gatatu room 307A. Ntubwate branch mu Eldoret ase nyumba ya Kogo Plaza first floor room 2.
Walfit Health Centers umusani ogo asamarwaire minyoka.
Subscribe ase channel ya Gatembe TV rero ili wimanyibu na mangana watika kira chingake ase channel ya YouTube ya Gatembe TV nigo toko kora live streaming ya mangana maya chi video ne bipindi bya Gatembe ao ngakiende yonse inyoranga ngwetera ase official channel ya Gatembe TV. Subscribe, comment ase chi video cheto boigo share na basani amune amate ejo baigokie bemanye na wesemia tobase kweba turn on a notification bell yani ekengere ejo onyari kobagoko yanyora chingaki abikiri ase omtandao Gatembe Television Network ekinakyo ekeunga kiamamogusie.
Enyagitari ya HK International Medical Center nige gotoka imyomo chobosongo nigo yakira sengencho yao nabo igo nige bwate abanyagitari babwato bomanyi bwoigoro kegima abo bakora meremo yabo keboikeranu.
Inche no manyagitari eri ni kemma obanyi korwa senyagitari ya HK International Medical Center irega igo mochito bosongo.
Boigo enyagitari ya nige bwate chi machines chingiya echichigo tumeka koringoria maroire ao asomo bero na mariogo onsi alioraganye ase obobwene bwao
nabonta getoko tanga ase enyagitari ya ito nigo togokora scanning yo mobero omogima yani tokonyoroka ase omonwe bweke songo nga full body check up igonta getoko tanga nigo tokorigereri korwa ase omotwe paka amaguru inse twarigere the internal organs chiao chionsi pina kichigo function tokonyora chiri chiasero function abnormal twako amariogo
amaroire bakorwaria ngamona diabetes gose oboroire bwe sukari, high blood pressure, oboroire bwe chinyigo gose kidney, asthma, arthritis, brucellosis, infertility in men and women, hormonal imbalance, family planning, uterine fibroids, oboroire bwe stroke, prostate enlargement, stomach ulcers, chi allergies, cancer.
Nonye no mochando bwa maino amaina aliako na gusumbu ntobwata mariogo ya maino ntobwata maro mariogo ya marwaire yemeki emeki eri tichete emeki ngo tichere ya chikore ntoboko ngwa senkoro igonga marwa mariogo aliago tichore emeki gusako igore emeki yagera manyinga tarabiya ntonyabwate ntobwata mariogo aliago akorusia machando yechi joint chiri chikobuga borwaire bolito korokanga osteoporosis na boro buno borwaire bochandeta abantu baito na boro bwa mariogo na rororo nkorigereri tore nonye na mang'ana respiratory system abantu barokonyora egekuba kiabo takonyara gotira egetiro
epilepsy na boigo amarwaire anda mange
nainda mario gaya nigo tokonyarusia ase chinse cheisiko buna bono USA mariogo nari tokorusia stokoroka Los Angeles California eyere in USA nainde nkorustora mario ganda ase chinse chiri tokoroka nga Malaysia ayande nkorware India na ayande nigo tokonyarusi China
asa mange bakeresimi ase namba 0717176383 HK International Medical Center. Your health is your wealth.
Esa marieta ankoro kwa Benista Marongo Bobe ninje principal ya Karoka Technical college gotoka Nyaribari Masaba esomwesi miwa Hak Daniel Mandu wa Kongosa tigangire libageri so wakira baibori baitombi yamone soko nyara gotoa bana na gutwara okwegena amangana Tibet we are very friendly ese amangana fees payment egekogera serikali ngo bakonyera abana gwetera chinjera hawa wao entangani neri ya constituent development fund that is CDF esoko gendeza constituency yao twakurikira rirube banya kubwato bulemeru banyara gwaka na part of your fees elia kabere elipungo era abana baito chironi ekogerene government institution nkoe kubale first priority bae uchironi bagosomera elia gatatu kare kupsia tumira marieta gochie serikali nko bae scholarships and capitation abana bagonyara gosomera igo listen teyo abana baito babwenete koberanga mune fees yaburi tobwate various courses ndobwate agriculture ndobwate electrical and electronics ndobwate automotive that's mechanical engineering yebwate sections ndobwate building or diploma artisan tobwate ne chinyinge chirijiko ba Harvard in any institution igo bono nare wa appeal abaiboli bareta abana banyare ko babago trainingwa egeko garanto bwato bumanyi kosomia abana baito bariga ni monyare kutoretera abana ina wa January intake because negenderete umwana igota document cha mapema obukiribaga in advance tak wanyaliri jinga kichwa mwali kwanyoranga lere serikali yako na neji portal so it's good moja for admissions ya January mapema.
Mwanjomo ligereri hase ngambo ya getembe lituko lya lero litukerigaririria ichuma mwanjomo ligereri nigo tugochikonya kwa tukorigereria amange muna twatikire kwa gukorigereria ase amangana maye lituko lya lero nalio mo waziri wechisemi musikechuri atimigo sogamba nyara kwa tukabene ama somo agose amatem AKCSE yo mwaka oeta asa nyara kwa kuralia mange igoro ya matem ayo nabo iga mange naragendrete asensi ya Kenya onsi ayo abwatentia kuna ensemo yichisemi asenchira ya mugose eyende ebensi ya 7 amagendero onsi lituko lya lero ase engambo lituko lya chuma na tukuchukonyara kabato kurigerere na oyu tukuchukonyara kabato konyana na litukulia lero gosoju uchukobaga gotokonya kurigereria yonsi ni gwakorokwa Andrew Ratemo kure ni gongo mwali bago koba no mugeni kigima asegeta sen kya Gatembe TV anyara kabaga kubakwani na ero manyana yakabaga kwemanyikani gochime mono nga ere ningo karibu muske
mbeya mono sana na mwaigure nchenguro kwa Andrew Ratemo kurwa nchenguro kwa Andrew Ratemo kurwa Nyakoe Ward ndo mwalimu wa university na ende ndo mwana siasa nkurigia ikero gukio bwa MCA bwa Nyakoe Ward asante sana so kongaregani goche igeteseni kia inoiga.
Karibu sana Menyaga Tembe TV. Aso kuchaka kigimo mwasike litukulia lero korengi munayo mu manyiba mangana yisemi bekora muna gwatikiro teba no mworoke bwe university rero kwarigereria mangana ya matemwa a KCSE anyarka bagacoka litukulia lero na ndatari korengi na matem agatatu guchio mwerio twatigeri chintu ndibire amangana KCSE yaere general observation yao ninki kwanya uranyaka kwana igura matemwa acoka litukulia lero.
Tuise kurigereria results twanyora sa ritukuria rero we have a slight improvement kubwa matemu twatwarite 2024. In 2024 bana babwate C- and above ibarenge about 49%. Tuise kurigereria sa matemu acoka ritukuria rero umo CS no kolikere twarigereria na twanyoranga we are about 50.5%. Igonga there is a slight improvement as a performance ya bana baito eyuere egento kirekia na ende tobwenerete gwakanga mbuya mono gekogera ekonyore improvement deviation ere positive is always a good sign.
Na kero tutigarite sama tema pado munanya ko gasoka se kolenga no report yorurwanya ko baroko somo no mwasiri Julius Migoso gamba nanya ko bakonekinga abaro kigwa agwetani chiri buchimi is ibere na 50 iga gose ne 5 ne ibere 270,000 na banyora kireri kurunga C+ and above abali qualified ko chikoenda university muno moroki with university ali bageli ama pagana aro aranyara ko accommodate abana abonsi at university.
We have enough spaces at university and amatukaya chi university utwaigoire chinyenge lakini nche personally I am a technical trainer. I'm an electrical engineer by profession. Eske barian kunyara kumira ku advice gutakande ko batebya ngatiga bakore technical courses icho chira abana bangi batara embrace
muna jitivate
TVETs actually TVETs na with the current government yes TVETs are very empowered na abana bangi lakini bakenkonge abali ko take it up lakini bado ntubwate mbwelinga nchitinda agenda university. However, my candid advice gochia sabana ba matemu abasoka rero tigango bange kurigereria nga can they embrace gokora technical courses ngise kurigereria moralia oise kurigereria cross society no nayo menyete ngise gokoboria kero kende chi plamba ile ngomanyete na bura nyore gose neyemo gose babere na ende barenge abantu bachagite kare. We don't have this young generation taking up these courses while yune a gap ere nene sana ebwen ere void yani ebwenerete ichorigwe igo. Yes, it's a good thing we have the spaces chisa inena babana bago so university lakini I also want to encourage the munga
Omanjo murigererie nigo togenderete gukwana na ere Andrew Ratemo oyore umanyiwa mangana isemi ranigaro mworokia goe university ya Mount Kenya na boigo nigare omwana siasa era nigakobanchire ndi yonsi enseme ndi yonsi yakora siasa dige gukuna kiregento muno murai bwense murai bwense gatatu bwense ya Kenya moske Daniel Tono teacher mweni gatatanga ki siasa mbaya maisha mbaya igamine tinga siasa nere kubata nikiregento na nigotoka ndo kwanira igoro ya mangana yisemi moske ngwira na sore karogento kwanira igoro ya mangana yTVET chisukuru chinyinge chenya kwa chiko twali genteke gachikoba excited ngaki amatemo manene karasokire abana bali baite tuchi university naba iko already obongo bwabo imebabikirwa bere program dinga uyo bwate C+ and above bwante kwa university zachindenga kiko chikonyara kama njire kia bantu baranye kuba gutumeka ko motivate omwana oyo anyaka kwa karengera ringa zachinde na bwante kwenda gutune TVET gutemuke kosi yamba ko mna kwanya ko bakokwerera abo litanga
mbemona seri swali eryo oise kurigereria system nereye tokoroka CBC ase kere togocha college say university we calling it CBET. A system is trying to change a notion ya abantu gusaba ibuli na abantu tobuate ya renge ya 844 system iria nero ya implanted some mindset inga kuikotu are degree
84
yani 84 lakini tuize kurigereria system ye tobwate muna kwamba litaga ni gukua na alianga it is we are meaning with about 2 classes tokore system ye system ye bono togochaka kurumaega it is actually fixing this mess because korubono muna abana bakorwa tokorokanga KGCSE bago transition gochigoro ski pathways ye chintobwate bona abana bago chikosoa bagokora STEM au bago chikosoa that is science technology engineering and mathematics omwana ore comfortable gokora chi science tikagenda gochiaria akore path ya mapema because I don't see personally bono ngise guwe kwanere example kiande tindo chinga kero kende na korete subject muna history tindo chinga
kwetani kopanyanga ruto no murayo gatano
tindo jia kero kenda senkonyete mono so system we kere guchigocha mwana akoro yogo social sciences yakoro oyo gokora STEM akore oyo gokora arts akore it is going to change completely the system to aveire togo tuara so going forward inkageretinga in kerengonye project in another maybe 5 years to come we will have a completely dynamic society ero mwana maitenga nche interest ya nere gochia tikangende ngorbona abunonya ni ntwaborokie kero gukwanira abana nongea kubatebia nga bono kora this technical course kora this na bako akorora some sense lakini ase boniga sabantu bari twakorete 844 na kurumaega bado interest yerenga wikatogende chidigiri
na on the same karo kuligera pado muna considering aba bakorta mathematics KGCSE alitukule chimatatu bali baka kwa soa chisukuru na kilali tinero itaranya rakawe korrekana ntachindenga sukuru gete ne ya STEM sukuru gete ne ya arts sukuru gete ne ya igentegeza jini ke chikolete confusion go chimutuka iga onyorenga umworo kigwonyale kwa baka ba admitted ese sukuru ntachinde etalikuwa endera na amone pathway yae
ase gento munekyo na indengagirete nabo tubwenerete tokwanere gosene serikali pull up its socks so far so good ase abaibuli na interactiri na barabuo abange they don't understand abange baachire bakuburi umorokia bono mwana oyo chore tugochia bono nkiabwenerete kwenda gokora mwana one social science nkiabwenete kwenda gokora na we have to accept a system ya CBC bono tobwate it is an expensive system na bado etoregese ntonkorokango ni baby steps bado ntoraikera ntoraenda full circle and the equipment bado skuru nchibwati lakini rende no chaka so as at now we have to accept etore at our initial stage to accept lakini to request in serikali nerongana ki hasten this process so that clearly tomanyenga esukuru A school B school C echipiwa lineji sukuru cha STEM school C D na nyagete ne kerogende ne sukuru cha visual arts neji yende ne school cha social science ekere turanyore nga tuanyare gwata na ninginje yo inowe confusion ye toroche boniga egosira lakini the reason why we sekorigereria placements yekere KGCSE ya soka about 2 weeks back placements ya marube na the number of requests the government ministry yanyorete it received in excess of 10,000 requests chogo change sometimes inonya ni go change yoko keroge na ko baibuli bata manyetinga na ki eye sukuru eyo mwana oyabekwa keroge nenguringana na strengths chia arorekanete say subjects yakorete lakini bad mindset ni tobwate ngana ki mbura alliance mbura mangu mbura skuru gete mbura you get that so bado nakikwa kwa mwana kwa nyubege tukose skuru gete gochia which could be suitable kulingana ne subjects a performance boronge lakini omoiboriere okoba tago kirinero ni mindset ya ere bado back to the 844 system okoraki otangaya tigandi place a request ye. And I think I want to commend the ministry as well to reject most of those placements, because again we have to instill this into our people. Bamanyangana ki things have changed. Yes.
And one of the issues chanya kwa chikoligereri kwa samangana placement igana banya kwa kichesea placement ya kwa ndi ule chikuru nelinga abana bande batomero tachini chikuru chibatakeri ko yando chikarare na sobo abande batomerwe eida skuru wa mwana atachorete timatinga from where you sit way forward nereli as a issue muneiga na letukolera nara mwana siasa ya mwana rokwananga umwana okomenya isiko eskuru etari reporting mwana tatakeri ko cho reporting eskuru erare na ngesa atanyara ko baka ko walk back and forth kuru school na gochaga na go sakuru ka gochia school timatinga abo observation ya ongereke kunanya ko twari gore
that is a very valid reason. Yeah. Because why could you place omwana oko walk maybe 30 kilometers, say 20 kilometers as a day scorer? Practically that thing is not possible. So ntobwene tatorigere linarongana ki esukuru ye togo place yo mwana oyo. Is it a boarding school? Logistically yani is this something viable? Because again toko imokoru si omwana gusiga omubeke day school ere Nyamira. Omwana oyo nakia guchigo iko omwana ogusi amenya. This is probably 12 years 13-14 years child tali mwana oguchiko kombo era nyumba. So ikina kerokyo it's something kebwente kerigererigwe namagoso ara say ministry naro we are never perfect. Yeah, so I believe unga kerengereri kyonkero ororo na ende we could support and encourage ministry maybe in the next placement we be more careful.
Another issue geta kere kokwaniro na karokia samangana HSM yana mono amangana senior schools as a junior secondary into anyora umuchandogoro yaborokia gose abarimu abagosoma junior secondary tachinde se bagote bakadanga bang ngibabomba bwato umanyi bwabwende ko abagosomia aboroki ba CPE bubanya tukabakuruzi kwa seko swarute ko senior secondary maybe senior secondary bagacha gochaga kusoma junior secondary na bono I think we are going to experience the same as abarokigwa ba CPE abakotakisea bakoende school ya secondary was senior secondary bagojikosoa grade 10 grade 10 ye aboroke bagojikobasoma mbali kwa bagosomi esira pasi yenkoro ekerokina kigerabe chagoda pon baka ketoke ngali chibuli atoke na confusion te chikoto aro
again te kyonke bwate a challenge ya nene mono erororo nelinga the teachers to bwate bono abange ebachiete through a system ya 844 okanyoranga achiete university agakora kero kende ne combination gose ne ya geography na CR history and whatever lakini kwa irani rio muona omwalimu oyo kwa moretire bono junior and senior secondary omwalimu oyo now in this new system ntobwate we have brought back those subjects muna bono construction electricity bono omwalimu oyo ekera guchia gotebi gwasomia na kiego chikoba na very challenge kwanyora bado I've met teachers vale in junior secondary omwalimu no yobwege Swahili gose no yobwege Songo lakini entago tebi gwasomi ne hesabu entago tebi gwasomi gose siari they are complaining actually they are teaching everything because they say the government is still treating junior yega muna ndanyeroke quote and quote primary elitu abwate kare mwalimu are gosoma subject gose nane chionsipi so ekyekerengo kerigereria nko jeopardize kere quality of our products yobara abana baito. So what should the government do? It is high time bono a government and the Teacher Service Commission embrace abantu bali tokoroka teacher trainers about technical trainers where I'm one of them. I was privileged to go a postgraduate diploma in Kenya School of TVET. I know we have a number of those trainers outside here bari unemployed and mostly bari kulikuwa na ebodi kurukunga TVETA. So bono it's high time that a government through the Teacher Service Commission enlists these teachers. Bache bairana bache kokonya, because here now you will find a qualified technical trainer in electricity or in electrical engineering, a qualified technical trainer in construction, plumbing and such like. So it is a high time a government yerengereri gose ne body yokolika balimu ULTS erengereri ngana ki bono we need to have qualified people gose personnel kosomia abana aba bono tobwate bono if at all we want to get quality products because what we say in technical education is we train for the industry. That is what CBC was a CBET means. Tariyokokori, it's not about papers. It is about training for the industry. Yani toso kumwani product yako sokera and straight to the job market. Yes.
Na igen tukende karto kujokolera igora ya mangana ya matema sokari tukolia lero observation ya general observation elinga chisukuru chia gose tatebe botande quote success ya bit distributed even ilio konyoranga school ile manyikana tamna C1 gose national school na wema chikole ngani abana ne school ya kawaida gose C4 asa bana wali mini bintu mnebiga isitenga na matemu anyale koba unified gose timasri yetende qualified ko tumeka universal suffrage anyale ko koranga onjo gosome school eno yo gosome yende as long as sira pasira yamo you can achieve the same thing.
Yeah, umetobono, that is where the new system is bringing in fairness. Yeah. The new system is not about how much you bookworm. The new system is about your capabilities. It's about your abilities, strengths na weaknesses. Ikatwa accepting muna torega ntobweka ini umurali. Bichare bibye ito byonzi birenga ini. And therefore ndio senare nde mbwate strengths na kumba sabu mbwate strengths na weaknesses chiao chire. So with the system unakwanye teba unification inda tebe the abilities, different abilities and capabilities chia bana aba we are seeing it converging somewhere. So naboko nyorango yoiga se area yiga kabwate go se expectation 1 as area ya kabwate approaching. So that one is a unifying factor and the system is working on that. I kabisa I agree with it.
Mwanchi muligire toka na mutima ko mukeigo bweji dagika chingeigo to koirana tnya ko to kugendera seturanya ko to kurigeria wera to igo akurwa sensemo ya gesiasa igo to sko chale igo to lenere Andrew Uratemo uyoro manyiwa mangana yichisemi nabo igo umo ana siasa kurwa sorogongo rwagusi hanemono ward ya Nyakoe ebunge yetu chache South county ya Kisii go to sko chale. Gerali siasa na yagendrete ase ense ya Kenya na muna Kenya kale siasa nigegwa kumuna togwa kachikura lero mambia ya siasa tokugendera na ndaba kagara togwa kachikura chyo muna chikobaruga chiko tangazo oli gotangazo na mambia ya oli tatangaze tu nigago chaka koraria oyo ndo bwetu buna tabwetu bija no yo bwete na ya koraria cha ire chichinde chiko bwati go siasa triko ya sense ya Kenya muna totambuka tomwa kumuya na mangaganda kwene kigwa ase ense ya Kenya ge siasa kurora wangorwa gusigo gutira goika igoro na igo togochakira siasa andonse anumana sorongorwa gusi na mnatika kumanyia Andrew Uratemo no mwana siasa na ndo bwateganga yayo kurigia ekirogo ase county ya Kisii uroro ngoro gusi na togochakira musike litanga na wana ingwa bwake kuruko musike yakara Atrás magana siasa ri bara kwato se magana siasa. No musike kara mwana siasa yotari musike. Siasa ya Gusii. Generally siasa ya Gusii. Ebe na county ya Kisii, ebe na county ya Nyamira. Na yaro titigiri maegese siasa yonsi ya Kenya. Ibindire bigendrete ase orgongo rwa Gusii. Ntubwate igoro yo abo mubomo Gusii bwa Kwaneiru. Ntubwate igoro ya okoligereri igoro ya aba governor, abajumbe, aba senator igoro ya Gusii. Generally so gushakira. Giro nyako bagokwana igoro ya siasa cia Gusii bono iga from where you sit.
Mbiyo mono muraria siri swali eri. Siasa ya Gusii ya tuarire a national limelight because tobuate a vibrant presidential aspirant oyo komasikororeka koba nakinda kiruka sike Gusii ligwa likobeta ase eserikali gose onde bwenzi because yogosire kogera history yaya kiagerire nga twabeire toko siasa ya Gusii ke kogenda on the national level kiko irana seri swali kwa buria nganga iri kogenda obomo bwo Gusii bwabeire bwogokwano burachaka rero burachaka igoro it has been existing for far too long lakini oise kurigereria nga se all those elections twakorire kenga chikura chigo chia Gusii toko masiko bamuna toko chibaka toko ba very fair nga kizi aro you will have a share other than yenga kikero kurigeria history nga kinya chaya abore tichikura that was 2002 chikura njama setu kwa mune block
3 years ago
back then so ntomanye tinga are we going to have a reincarnation of that in 2027 na ekere chemuna bono musae ase siasa ya Gusii abasae babeire bagotengwa babeire bagotigara isiko kero kende twabeire togotumeka ku uplift the seasoned politicians ase ndoyo mobo tindachaka siasa rero lakini nabeire na inchengo tumeka gusuguma aba seasoned politicians igagerire nga tuachire twatebire muna abasae we have to have our voice add araria asemesa ntutete gukwanira kando gari itutete gochemesa gaiga to discussing na kiriba gari omosae ngairire for that reason tumuna abasae ntochete ne kiombe kekoro kwanga Gusii youth for youth movement abu asendo omo chairman inki kiombe kegokora ikiombe ke etotete gose already tuabekire abana siasa bare abana youth abasae gose slightly above which we have set the age 45 years and below kobe member yo ya GYYM wejo bakorigie birogo across Kisii and Nyamira chikaunti cheito ibere chia Gusii reason yekogera togo koreke ningi etotete gotebia all these season politicians to asugumire for all this time inga it's far too long to akorirega bono it is our time na inu moira ni okoboko particularly munekerogo kyobwo MCA ekerogo kyobwo MCA kero kyo ndote dikorora yani muntu ore 40 years go chiabuga ngane kerogo kyago ja
gutwate irengo bwo MCA
kikero kyo ndote deketigara sabasai aikonye goikire miaka 40 go chigoro gendo rate mu bochumbe konye goikira 45 go chigoro robo sende tarorubo kafa bono that is what we are doing and I'm calling upon abana siasa barabasae across Gusii but to join yamagoko toruanirire gente keiga there is nothing for us without us nabotogote
nantesema karoko kwana igo abasae muyateire tutebe mwatere nga mutigeruri baga anene mona samangana ya ikrokia wa MCA ekenza jinege komekia babane na baraba basali kurugoro batengonye koro musate gore bugavana genda tsali boli rwane na bamino ba MCA
ya yo muraria egento gekogera togoteba niki tuakinire kitogotebigwa tosome
abarai bamambi
tobe babarai bama no gosoma tuanchire tuasomire gusenia sayo tobwate siri nabo batosomia na baibuli abo goteba bachigotoseria nabo baibuli baito nabo batosomia auto teinga tatu ndane utagosoma mambio chiko bomurayo chiko konya society ikanaga ikamunanje na ike miaka 33 kuchia bono mambia tebeti mambia itonere nere we are claiming our tomorrow now because if again we delay abana mbali bakuru maega bakuru kwa bajensi abande bakuru kwa alpha ekere togocha goika tuaetaniri totete bono gocha kurigie biroge ngocha gotote bare you people you wasted chinga kicheino mambi you did not use it bono totigere chinga kicha chiaito. That is why into we have this time tuaikire tuaire bono tuaisanire kugamba we are requesting abaibuli baito na bali baraba nene batotaganire tase siasa we have supported you unconditionally for all this time bono irani okoboko esitore particularly mune biroge binate babio bu MCA irani okoboko gucha saba sai
na ekanangeli keno ngakiabere safety na no bali abarai se chiabisi bali bekaran stable wona egati yabo bali mtachinde mwanya kwa mogo ikera gusumanya kwa mogo birengalibya gusumanya kwa mogo sanga chi platform mbale tu omeire gusina omeire ngekwanere nkebagosete because now kiarusiri category gete y'abantu bategemete kero kindi ndakuwa ne quote and quote the youth they used to misuse bono tuemanyire na ende we are demanding ngana ki toe this muna bono for example tuatebia nonya no mugavananga konye gutagete gukwana na intwe omo deputy governor goikabo musa yana our space goika to nyenyore space yaito bono yente kyunke bagogeti because nonaye liugo kolia nyama onyoro muntu kongusa kurumonu goikote me ko resist so nkera aba received buya na ababari boto taganirete baito baraba nene baito but not all of them tingotaka convention marieta lakini there are others who have received it very positively they are telling us inga diorio mambi etu algonya ko batebi it's true yaiki it's the time we nurture you people yakogera mambi ende ntokayo lakini mbale na barabuo ite bataranye receive boronge so it is a mixed reaction in that na musikagara ko kwana karo kuligara ligoro yabasaya kolengana ne chigurupe ya ino mwabikire gweterese kyombe kino ase county ya Kisii yo mubekano ase chibunge kianda chire county ya Kisii na bako munchikoranga egati yabasaya bale egati emyaka yukonya kubako kwana abange babona banyata ko bakoberera abo timatinga banyara kabaka omubweka no muyago cha simulenza chinde baragere mwaeguribaga wose mbalura nyolenza chinde without naming names mbalura nyonga ngakaba tokanya lebe obo kerogo kumbe twanyolde nga bana bambali kunyara kende na buri chibwelire kabere omete abasaye n'abantu tubwate bado amanyinga ari muriro igonga ase baritu anyarire ko kirogo ose birogo oise ko etare kene na indo murari urigereri in their constituencies na bokorora bintu gete bikorekanete ko oise ko compare with maybe previous regimes lakini na inde conduct sinchire chire maybe outside the work they are doing na chirocho chitari kogoke icho na inde kero kende na chirocho chia ngere go tobe kanda choba dia saba kaka bana ototenga konye muroche to ko ba mwanchi kokora iga lakini generally the young people ba irwe gasi they have done it or they are in the process doing it nda approve inche munandro babere kisambe kijaba semuko nyara kwa katabanga na ora batu katanga nyalebe makara temeli baga turo chokorebe na nje bono nanje ngare litali bageli kwa yes then ni kendo kendeke nzachinda basai bako bagutume kwa ase mangana siasa zajine nokonyora kwabo kokuligererwa nga edamo sai tabaga tebesara nyako baga ko bounty campaign ere effective ebindomne byo go staranya resources chisa inara nyako baga ko manage in one way or the other aigaro nchiraki muranyore support igusubura nyaka mu achieve egente gyo konyoranga no bwate chinguru orago for example karo kotabanga omwe MCO ise kotoka no muntu monene ure wetanie ekerenge ke mwabekire emyaka 40 ko chigoro ukari gose emyaka 50 nabwate resources nabwate BCI tagote gotikira tanga bantu yankaransa, so meaning you are going to compete with them. Ese competition yiga omusaya bange go chirogere ngatraisa ni bintu ranya kabako kan tokunya go compete nero nyino go sera bono tumekosima sera bono, because it's how are you going to achieve that?
Me mono sana muraria siri swali. I was actually waiting for this question. Egange nene mono mune agusi youth for youth movement kochaka kiombekyo is to actually handle that particular problem, because siasa ya ito ya Kenya iwe segusiye ere yemo yabo nekenenga kweli yabeire money oriented na hinde bono mu twatebanga united we stand, divided we fall. So kikeka kaya tukarenga ki mbare bake balia kero kende nyasaya igore ide chinchera tuasoka sokire ko chiaria tuanyarire korosi bipesa bikeigo yes na bora amentora si chisa ine na pesa njia nyago isana lakini mbare tuanyari kero nye saa sosese nirigo se tuanyarire konyore kiwango kete nonde na rororo lakini ntobuata others who have a chance yokogamba lakini tabuati kende pi that is where we come in tuodangana ki etogo chapake ward yao as a team ya GYM tugo support kitoramo twari resources twabekiranie kero twabekiranie rate marete siringi ya ibere nyagitare te ibere na ndare te ibere na boko nyora chiama siriko bamunango ichora chiregeka igekawa tokore pooling and again muna nago tebia we have got some people who are taking this positively na some bataigo getake positively yes baraba nene utonda baroke quote and quote abanyabesa there are some who have taken it positively and are actually willing go chip in go support ya abantu abasa lakini na kongu sana onyore ko bamuna yaro ni go support wase word yao kero kende konye tori ase kiombe you have to be where others are for you to get help,
then you move together.
Yes, so that is one thing we are handling and we are doing it already to move to across the wards Chiakis na Nyamira ko support abana youth baito bali bakorigi ebirogo, and I am making an appeal to any young person out there utaete kuri yekerogo kia bwana siasa tigakobo nga tobwati chibesa naona ba kero kende ba chagete mbabwate na barabuo
na neto bwatsa some examples kia bali ba
yes.
Bara bisibata bwata besa
it's been gradual and again kere tu okobika namo we are also trying to do this civic education gochia sa abantu baito ko bateinga na ki rigereria ababa nyabesa muajore thank bakolire na mwatoso miri bono ntune gasi totete mutora akora gasi mbono tore mutari gwanja moto emeremo tubakorere because it's the best way we can give back to society mwatoso miri tuakorire bono tuaikira mutari go to emeremo so that we also give it back to society. So we are also trying to talk to our people and some are listening, some not yet barabubat.
Na ai challenge nero ronsa chinde ese abantu abange balwanya kwa bakoboli emyaka ya kare gose tutake kare umete go chakara 2022 go chimaiga
yes
abasaye mbale baboli yo konyora gusumu sago tinata banga incheri ngo boli chikura chigaki chingana chi abasaye batie karo ko muboli go chimenga ya muno musayo reskonyanga kwanya libageli kana utakeire ko gamba ningi urakore abange babo konyonga mbabwati idea ngi arakora kini atayete kwebise igoro yo bosaye ne challenge ya masana ese ebwate tali abasaye boka ebwate bakona nensemo yabangena kusaba sabati nga nsachido munda botuna tabanga inche okobando mosaye ngekerogo nchoko bando mosabati ngekerogo nchoko bambwato manjete no balema ngekerogo ndomnege e challenge nga kimoko je nyara kwa muniki ombe kino ngwikana sambule sachine mwaligereri ngaki moko nye compliment obo sai bwana moko compliment na policies maybe agendas maybe manifestos
yes ndobwate it's good to mention this here it is not just any youth ogo join ogo inga gichoro mosae bono you want to be a joker lakini oche bono oba admitted into GYM nebwate executive baye nebwate members baye nebwate chi committee muna bono ye koando amangana political affairs headed with somebody ekere tu nyorire nganto bwate for example Haron korwe ward A utaete goja to join we actually do again to tokoro kange background check ngoenda turi ngora twagenda bake ward area twakora twaringoria umuntu uyu does he just want to make a name umuntu none kero gocha nkugo ikaranzi turi ngokora turi gendo tokoro vetting because again ntoteti ko ba labeled as jokers etotete interest to buate ne ringa at least 70% of county assembly members in both Kisii and Nyamira ebago chakoba abantu bare abake na inde most probably bakorwa as a group ekorokwanga GYM. So we are not just onboarding anybody. We are onboarding very serious members. Toko kora vetting na inde to advisor. We tell each other the truth. Jana Andrew yaya aliye nchoko kore binto alia ntoko ko enda nginchejo. Tema go improve
na gochia eri tutakota koligarere na na gwati goteba eganga yao noko boli kero kyo MCA ase county ya Kisii anna mono korwase ward ya Nyakoe amangana echi ward gose ya ba MCA na bwate okungusana na giteiga senjera mose yende nabana karoto kuligero sine county ya Kisii nabakonyoranga aba MCA muna botambe mbali chinsa moibere na dansa mali kubwate sio mugavana rere tari kubwate sio mugavana ekauti jambira ngoranga mbata kuru sio mugavana obisi abande bakamwegerera ikabamuna yabete from where you sit egapu ebujabujese egapu erese kerogo gose county assembly cheitana mato kwande county assembly ya Kisii neririga anza chinde lyayo manyano rochenga egapu nera eyumbwente koenda nfiri egapu ega
mbiye mono murare egap era se county mono se county assembly ya Kisii transparency and fairness munabono ntebe for example a few months back 2-3 months back chi paranjire chi abeta allocated ko chi wards mbali chia Kisii ko se chia Kisii county yes tukama konyoranga there are other wards chitanyoreti no nyikengese why there are other wards munabono nere monta tete konyekwana yanyorete 8 million shillings ekere yende tabuati nonya we have 45 wards across Kisii county lakini as a list here we had about 12-13 or so unequal distribution lakini bono nainde ekene kia mangana ngelingana ki eye kweligeria nere gokorana ki nere konyo so as your MCA kurwa se ward ende yonsi ukarwete goikote emena ekwerwanirese county assembly ari mwana mintote wengana ki ekengese ekekerokyo na nje korangana ki abantu bane bantu merete gochi inkingo tamera nkingo chikoera abantu bane so ekyo ndatebe is a win-win situation between umugavana na aba MCA and again also democracy there is no single day tora rengereri tuenzi beyond the same election lakini rende as a problem nkorore nenepi is a distribution negento muneke nabo muntu kero kendo bwato bumanyi obwenerete ku face yo mugavana na komotebianga aigo mugavana mbobogoko because taigo cha kugo impeach taigo cha kugwaka biboko no komotebianga ya nje ikapa kankure ekogera igagwa kolire bobe yebo
nation ere yeko kwane kegore mangana yo impeachment yo mugavana yiga from the point of work aba omosomo nando mumanyi babangana yiseme nabo igo omwana siasa Mugavana we county ya Nyamira na arisi issue agatabanga ntachinda kare impeachment itakere korbona iga nigebwante ekare kwene for wa MCA nigebwante ngonya ni no mugavana ko impeach diande ne timu ya yonse siku timatende gose kwa kegula so kwa tuna kwande timatikira nyaka kwa na muna bono potentially no mu MCA ole issue mune yenga kioranya nande ngo ikese to etokanga ne county assembly takere korosiri chiko itariki ba amended yoko impeach gosogo time impeach yo mugavana sa deputy governor
amwe mono murari ngoreke bishe kwanza te county assembly bwende korose richike iri go say bylaw that is enshrined in the constitution of Kenya 2010 in a referendum and apparently didn't go agree no mugavana Nyamira because what I have seen is that most of these impeachments are actually instigated mostly in our deputy governor because ya manye ndenga na ki ereono are absolved lakini manyangi gendeke nabo kinge obo president oko nga presidency nobo governor no deputy that is one ticket so a ticket ye yukonya ya failed aba na inchi gose na abagusi gose na abanyamira gose na abakakamega a ticket ye yutigege ndenka yonsi actually if that thing happened
an election should be called abantu
baende basiki fresh mandate naende kurwa saba abakichikurangana ki bono eribanto mwato chorere dema yasinyire mutare gotoa abantu abanda abangao lakini as long as it remains in umugavana nere okobogoliye cross yonzi we will still see these dramas back and forth lakini ise konyarekananga no ticket yonzi ekogenda apparently maybe nabotaro an impeachment motion coming
nangwere ma gasini ni goro yobo matebo mugavana no mo na ba MCA timaitinga ngakie ayoragani kororo bwa mato boli go experience bwa mato gatio mugavana no MCA
indaga ni kororo obu amate bole mucho tobwate mucho understanding umugavana understanding ngana ki inche muno mu MCA bwe county ya yani bwe ward ya Nyakoe 2027 that is error yane koso assembly no ko oversight igonge kerenko motebia iga umugavana turakora buya iga tuganeti tokore iga tabasa kugitekite person similarly no mugavana kerago ntebia iga omuheshimiwa I was thinking ngana ki angai tuakora iga yani totuare relationship ndaro kenga symbiotic tugusirana tokorokererania because in any case you will not have a county government without the MCS. You will never have a county government without the governor. Na ekede ni fahari wawili wakipigana bado unapata ni nyasi inafanya nini inaumia so ekede uranyore muna nchego seno mu MCA bu asegete inkonye seginti ngaine no mu governor abantu bana mbali konyora kende at the end of 5 years oinyore diswali ripako boli ngana ki ntu agotomete nki kuatorederede so we should try as much as possible kotwari relationship ere yamasikani na inde yogotebererani between the governor and the MCS okere konyore binto bire igo amangana agosuka buya yebo
Esogo chukokorera toira na sensemo ya gusia engima ntachinde siasa ya national politics kwatika kwa bago chikwanera ase kwanya kwa kwanera muske Dr. Fred Matiang'i siasa ya national gusiko ba at the national limelight ngente ngetike affect nge nyara kwa kuna nusa ase le totabe local politicians bali mo play local politics nge ba affect ko nani kira nyaka kwa ko affect apparently
gente kingo to affect kere na inde in a very big way because I'm expecting korora siasa ego chikoba nga ayo uri wave gete ayo tali wave gete igento mune kikiama seti koba 2002 kere tokurigereria history so yes this would chitwali an straight lirenga yes egente kingo to affect kere na inde goikonde bwensi bono ukorigie kerogo gusi arigereri buya arigereri na kyabo chiesa chikadi chiaye amanye na kia kubibe but yes it is going to affect us na inde seriously yebo
mwanju murigererie ndia koba chinsara chigante kugenda ndarasoma chichumba ibere satoiga chichiko nyara koba chiko likwa an mono kurwa sensemo ya YouTube iga kurwa mbrosion ndie kia gotanga kuronya ko ward I sorted with Andrew Ratemo Gary Steve agotabanga Better Future Thomas Nyabera na Muma agotanga kwa ward change for the better with Andrew Ratemo na ro kurunga Wycliffe Mangiti agatanga according to considerations nyakwa ward tumemaliza shida sina problem sorted by Andrew Ratemo tubwate bange kabisa bagante kulika chiuchumbe chiaboga bali bagate tubwate sensemo iyo mutandao gotabanga makosa ya nyakoe wasendo wakimbia kwa hiyo kitu tanga mpaka kana bamenye kata segende kyo ni jumbe nyingi sana mwanchu muligerali bali bagante kutubwate ya masa yamo wetira ase omutandao itoga Tembe TV YouTube channel muna togante kugamba na Andrew Ratemo uyuru mwana siasa kwa ase ward ya nyakoe ejiwe kutoka ase bunge ya Kitutu Chache South county ya Kisii asoko kolera umuske ayo munyene kwa kiriganga yaona karanga kionga no chikoligie karo kyobo MCA ward ya Nyakoe kerogeke karo chukaligi insachinde kwa rode gapwero ase ward ya Nyakoe bonto tigese county ya Kisii ase ward ya Nyakoe korenke bibere bitatu iga bibwente kokoru biri kwa rode ayo Nyakoe gokora biro Nyakoe gotiyo muligereri o Bwige TV ya Gatembe kwa ase ward ya Nyakoe
mbuya mono muraria na inde nchetinga nchetiko koruwania omo MCO ikaranze tekerogo no musani one na inde ntosikaine ne riangango chana motenga na ki egende ke munancho mwalimu ekere nkoja komakia anda matemu ao bado taraika meeting expectation are approaching meaning inga igasingo temari lakini taranyara taraika sekasi na inde njetin kunya komurwani ndo no kunya komusabanga na kiti ganya gutageria igo aiki 2027 angereri mokonye moro kibinte bimuna bibwenerete gokorwa ebinto mbire muntu tutabwenerete kenga gukwanira into muna bono ebasari Nyakoe ward is very skewed. Abantu abange bago complain sana. Sometimes inga ukoligereri gwankoronga nkwa enku area getenja akete njanga akete chikura area getenja ngakete chikura igento kibwente ko bangelinga na ki unification after chikura chierire ayebono urumurai bwa abantu Nyakoe ward yabagima igonga abantu gento muna jibasari ekebwenerete kogenda asekiro mwanafunzi ogosoma Nyakoe ward na ndo nyarete go apply abwenerete ko receive basari chi para ntubwate Nyakoe ngonya gotemara sakonyara lakini they are done ndatebe substandard ivi abande bagoja babiruka kuta ande kuote ngago jire moimore bibusa itainje nateba na maide mukwano ire igo so na bono 3 MCS tinte diko kuana maega saba kansora ekogeranga kieyo ntwabwate ward development fund lakini ezi chinga ichupara cyo MCA ne chinke chire kiva it was done properly kero kendanga bono muntu munanje ngo campaign koligio bo MCA bwa Nyakoe wa 2027 anga timbwenerete gukwanira lakini rendo okoba njira akorwa goika tokwanire okoba mache tarakorwa the areas ya bantu basumbugete bantu basumbugete sana goikanya kwanire intobwate institution activate now think no mwalimu naende goikankwanire gento munekyo ya kioge it has not been equipped that place is like dead naende nero yoka igatobwate Nyakoe ward bono kero kerigereria igana bonko rigereria na igunga I wish abantu Nyakoe bare gontegerera bang'oko boko tonyare guchange na koreta buri oborai bore oboronge nyako eward.
Abana twale gukorera tumati gosekene ngero rato kwebire insa chinde nare gocha kobori gose kwa plan tiko kwa bangete kugekwana nyako kwana tije daika ya mugo seibere iga agorigatie kamera iga kero tugochokora engambo ya lero.
Mbuyo mono muraria ngaite ngatwakwanira amange ase bono nda address abantu bane banyako eward. Momanyete nche no mwana oino nona asoma nkabwo bono nasokire isikaria nabeire exposed narorire nkike bwenerete gokorwa bono it's time namwire ngatigangira nenka ngiranie okoboko gocha ase society yane before it's too late. Gomba sabe asamba sikania manene abatata abamama n'abana youth baminto bakorwa nyakwe wodi engima mumbu atesie tonyare koreta egente kenka na finally umurari inataka nkwanire particularly abana youth from the statistics tobwate nigo torabange lakini ntobwati kura togende kaki tobwate chikura tobwate ebibande ekio nakio esira toratware kero gotebia no nyumurai ng'a tororane umaedenga no bwata omoro komoteberi ng'a tororane igo abana youth mbasabe situabeta togende tobwate ekura ntobasa koba tokuoga tu metandao bosa 1 term 2 term lakini ntobwati kura goikera abu egina ginto ndakwanira abantu baminto banyakoe na hende tiganya saya nyare kubaseseni.
Mbemo mwancho muligereri yakoro kwanduru ratemo kurwase wodi ya nyakoya na mu tokolde ngambo ya getembe lituko lya lero chini ngoro kwa ryo toto nyaingiri magaya chikamera nigakoro kwa Wilfred Matundura na boigo maiga kuronse matancho nigakoro kwa Jackson gose Kevin Ongeri yadego tor buligeri beme ya getembe TV kwa kya mamugusi koleni gwera nande aige kagetali gake na mangana mayayi kyonga chinsa inye.